Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today, July the 9th, 2021, we are here to give you all a price prediction in the market in Solana. You guys can tell that from our last video, we did not do a price prediction. We simply wanted to sit the sideline and let the market continue to trade so that we could get a better idea as to where the market is going to go in the future. Today may be that day. So before I break down our price prediction in the market in Solana and tell you all where we're expecting the price to go, if this is your first time seeing our video, you guys can see the value that we are creating here on this platform. Make sure you want to join us, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, tap that bell notification, because you do not want to miss out on our price predictions that we are garnering and creating in the cryptocurrency market. Right, this is real simple. Be very careful of anyone that is making this complicated, or anyone who has no idea as to where price is going to go. Like, that is running rampant across the YouTube space of individual creating videos just so that they can make ad revenue, but not necessarily have your interests at heart. Right? For us, we want everyone on our team to eat, everyone on our team to profit in the cryptocurrency space. So now we've got a pretty wide area in the market in Solana, right? The market is very wide in terms of it bouncing in between support and restriction. We already got our support areas marked on our price chart. It is already here. Okay, so what we need to do is kind of see whether or not we're getting the strength or the weakness in the market, and so far we're getting the weakness. Okay, so far the market in Solana is giving us some weakness. We found some restriction right there around $36, $38 in Solana. It's right there. Okay, so it's not necessarily all the way up here towards 41 that we had originally in Solana, but I'm gonna keep it there around $41.30. I'm gonna keep it there, but we can still tell over the last 4 days that the market in Solana is giving us some slight weakness. Now, depending on your time preference, you might not be worried about that right now. You know, if you're going to hold Solana for a long time, i.e. a year, 5 years, 100 years, whatever, you shouldn't be looking at our video then, because the market will not be the same as what it is right now or what we're going to predict on this video. All right. So if you're a long-term holder, just relax, because you don't care about the price right now anyway. You're more worried about what it's going to be in the next 2 to 3 years, 5 years, right? So what we're talking about today won't have any impact on what you think. So let's take a look at the market in Solana on a 3-day time frame. So it's right here in Solana on a 3-day time frame, to where we can still see that the majority of the transactions that occurred on this last 3-day price bar right here was selling. It's just that simple. Okay, that is precisely what is going on into the market of Solana. We have 2 days and 15 hours left on this current 3-day price bar. Now, again, it's not that weak. So even though we're showing you all weakness on these price charts, just relax. I'm not telling you that the market price in Solana is going to completely crash, even though that's how many of you will read it. But I cannot change that for you. Let's take a look at the market in Solana on the 5-day. This is the 5-day. We got 14 hours and 8 minutes left before this 5-day price bar ends. So yeah, I'm expecting the market price in Solana to go lower. Now I'm looking around 30 to even 27.50 as those areas of support though. Okay, that's where I'm looking for the market to try to come in and tag out some support. Will it? That's yet to be determined. But from one thing that we're seeing right now in these multiple time frames is that the market is not giving us any strength. It's not showing us any interest that people want to increase this price. So we have to play what the market is giving us. Even though we may all want the price to go up to $600 per coin in Solana, that is not what the market is dictating though. So let me see the market on the weekly time frame real quick, and this is another reason. I mean, we got a while, 2 days and 15 hours left before the weekly price bar ends. I'm gonna take a look at this. Okay, this is where the trend is. So let me take this back to the daily. Right, you see that? So let me get rid of this line right here. This is where we're looking for the market in Solana to go, right here. That is perfect area to see the market bounce off that ascending line. Everyone else sees the same thing. This will be the prime area to see Solana come, buy the market up at a cheaper price, and you still expect the market to go higher because it is keeping in line with this overall trend that it started back in the beginning of the year. Now we break this line, then again, the market is extremely weak at that point. But currently we're still seeing a weakness here into the market in Solana that we can play off of it. So seeing how the market hit restriction right there around $38 the last 2 days, that's where we're going to hold our restriction area now as well. Okay, 2750 will be the ultimate area of TP for us, even though we would come in and grab some profit off of that ascending line too, to come and see the trap, grab that area for support. That's a probable thing as well. So to come in and grab the strength off that ascending line is something that we need to take advantage of too. All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to continue to play some of this weakness into the market in Solana. 16% movement to the downside, which is not massive when you're dealing in the cryptocurrency space, but we can still play off that weakness though. Okay, so now that is how the market is anticipated to go for Solana. Not expecting too much, just a little bit of weakness, movement to the downside. First area TP would be 30 though. Okay, so we would skim off some profitability in Solana around $30, which is around 8.68%, back down to around 27.50 right there. Okay, so that's how we're going to play this particular updated price prediction in the market in Solana. So now I want you to tell me, where do y'all think the market price in Solana is going to go in the next 2 weeks? So in 2 weeks, where will price be? You guys can see that our price prediction only goes all the way out until August the 18th, but I want it in 2 weeks. Okay, so let me bring this in. Let's go and do it around the beginning of the month of August. Where do you think the price in Solana is going to go? It's just that simple. Call the market, right? You need to learn how to call the market for yourself. You don't want to be dependent on anyone else trying to give you their thoughts as to what they see on the price chart. You need to do it for yourself. What do you see? So drop us a comment in the comment section and give us your Solana price prediction. And it's just that easy. All right, welcome to the team. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.